True or false? How many different ways can it be answered?
All right, let's talk about number one. That's number one. How many options do you have right there? Oh, there's two options, true or false. Now you're on number two. How many options are there? There's two. And then number three, how many options? Three or two. Number four, how many options? There's two. So this is going to continue on. Hopefully you see a pattern right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to multiply all these together, says the counting principle, to find out how many different ways a true or false exam can be answered. So more simply put, since there's 15 questions, we can raise 2 to the 15th power and get our answer. All right, so let's do that. 32,768. That's what you get when you plug this in your calculator. Yeah, I would not do that without a calculator.